Welcome to the Hotel Van Gogh. Well, I've just checked in and I've got a single room for myself in Amsterdam. Let me show you around. My sons are next door in a double room. Well, it's a treble room actually, because I don't think they do double rooms. So I got a single room, they've got a treble room. I wanted a room on my own basically. It's tiny. I was a little bit, their room is lovely, but well, it's bigger than mine obviously. But this is all right, this does me, look. I got a bit of a better bath than me, but it's adequate. It's nice and clean, really well tiled. It is very, very clean, really well tiled. This is a room, tiny. Well, it's not that tiny, but it's all right. So if you're in Amsterdam, does this light work? Nice bathroom. Aircon there, TV, tiny TV, little coffee machine. I think you've got coffee pods there, coffee making facilities there, little safe. But couple little cups there if you want coffee. I might make myself a coffee in a minute. Alright, so just make it there, look. And, not a great view out there, and that's it basically. Here we are. It's alright. For one person, it's fine. This is on my Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus. Because I forgot the bloody memory card for my Osmo Pocket 3. Bit peed off about it, but there you go. Hopefully, not hopefully, I'm going to take the camera out with me and try and do some videos. I'm doing landscape and portrait for both sort of like different channels and that. Yeah, keep watching because I'm a bit gutted. I brought the Osmo Pocket 3 with me. As people that watch my channel know, I've got a couple of cameras. I brought my other camera with me, but I'm sure I checked it looked like the memory card on it, but it wasn't. It was a blank space. So it hasn't got a memory card, so I'm using my phone. This would do, yeah. I'm going to take the well, I can't take the camera, I'm going to take my phone out with me and do some videos with that. So yeah, we're in Amsterdam, little stag do away, so I can't film too much, but anyway, if you fancy a trip to Amsterdam, like, subscribe, and I will see you again soon.